Welcome to Learn the Dish. I'm Steven, one of our producers here, and today I'm going to show you a really great way to roast garlic. A lot of recipes are going to be mincing your garlic, but if it doesn't really tell you what you need to do to your garlic, I highly recommend roasting and then smashing. It'll give you a very rich flavor that you're not going to get if you're pan frying your garlic in butter or oil or however you might be doing it otherwise. So the first thing you want to do, you want to take a whole clove of garlic and you want to really quickly get that peeled. I showed you how to do that in another video, which you can watch by clicking on the card up there. Once you have your peeled garlic, you want to get a little bit of tin foil. Doesn't matter what sort, aluminum foil of any description, and you just want a very small strip. So put your garlic in the tin foil, get a little bit of olive oil, and just drizzle a little bit of oil on top of that garlic. Doesn't need to be too much. I mean, any amount of oil will really just cover the garlic here. So once you have that oil in your garlic, you want to fold it into a little package. Be careful not to rip the tin foil because that will result in a little bit of leakage. But you can make this a very tight package. So fold it over itself a number of times. Because I have a little tear there, I'm going to fold it one more time in there just so that it isn't going to leak as it goes. And I just have this little ball of tin foil. So now that you have your garlic wrapped up into this nice little package, you're going to put it in the oven just with whatever. You don't really want to preheat an oven exclusively for the purpose of baking garlic. But if you're baking literally anything else, if you're doing dessert, if you're doing potatoes, if you're doing whatever, if you have your oven going, just toss this in with whatever you have going at the time. So we're going to put this in the oven with some pastries that we're doing for another video, which you can watch up here. And then we're going to come back and show you how to use this roasted garlic once it's done. All right, so a little bit of time has passed and we've had the garlic sitting in with our pastries as they've been cooking. I'd say it's been about 10 to 15 minutes. Honestly, it doesn't matter. Just don't leave it in more than 20 minutes, but get your garlic out of the oven. This will cool down really quickly. That's the beauty of tin foil. So we're going to open this up. And basically what you're looking for, like I said, you know, it's completely cool now. What you're looking for is a nice golden brown color in that garlic. So we have that there. Your hands are going to get a little bit oily as you go. But the garlic is baked. It's ready to be used for whatever you want to use it in. I'm going to make a salad dressing of Middle Eastern origin. Kind of a combination of a bunch of things, but it goes great with most Middle Eastern food on a salad. And what you're going to need for that is a little bit of red wine or apple cider vinegar. You can go ahead and pour that right in on top of your garlic, as well as a little bit of honey. And my hands are very oily, so I'm going to wash them off. Okay, so we'll add a little bit of honey as well. Proportions, you know, just do it what you like. If you want it sweeter, add more honey. If you want it more vinegary, add more vinegar. The garlic is the main attraction anyways. And then you're just going to take that and crush the garlic with your fork and mix it up. Crush the garlic, mix it up. You know, to be honest, I may have cooked this a little bit too long. Usually the garlic will disassociate really nice and quickly. This one's formed a little bit of a shell. But once we kind of work that a little bit more, we'll be able to just take the shell pieces right out. So we just fish out the excess garlic there, and we have a nice dressing to put on some sort of Middle Eastern salad. Use it as you like. Thanks for watching.
There you go. Made go crazy. You can make.
Actually, you want to take a photo of that just in case I have been recording this whole time?